Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will see how to create a module and reuse it. In Python, to create a module, we have to write Python code in the file and then save it with the .py extension. For example, let us create a module named math underscore operation. Go to the directory math modules in this spider and then right click and then click on new and then select Python file. Now give it a name math underscore operation and then .py math underscore operation and then .py and click on save. So here is our module math underscore operation. Each and every Python file can act as an Python module, but here we are showing a demo on how to create, import and reload and reuse it. Let us write some code inside this math underscore operation. Here we have some predefined codes to save the time. Here in the math module, we can create classes, functions, methods, variables, and also the data structures like lists, tuples, strings, numbers, sets, dictionaries, etc. We can create any type of objects in Python module. Here I have created some variables to use in another module like lists and tuples. This list consists of addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and power operation as the list of elements and sum of the values inside the tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. These are the tuple of values and these are the list of values. Math underscore function underscore list is the name given for this list and sum underscore values is the name given for this tuple. And this math underscore operation module is present in the current working directory, that is math module, math underscore module. This is the project directory. Here we are having the two Python modules, math underscore operation and module underscore intro. Let us move to the module underscore intro where we are working. So we have created the module and named as Python underscore operation in the current working directory. And after creating the module, we have to import to use its objects in this Python file. So to import the module and to use its variables, we need to use the import keyword. Import math underscore operation. This is the import method. After importing, we are using the attribute method what we have used in the earlier case, that is math dot square root. So we are using the same method to use its variables or objects. This math underscore operation module consists of variables, lists and tuples with the name math underscore function underscore list and sum underscore values. Let us use the attribute method to reuse them. Math underscore operation, this is the module name, dot function name or variable name or method name, math underscore function underscore list, and then math underscore operation dot some value. And we are storing these list of values and tuples with new names like math underscore functions and values inside this module underscore intro Python file. Let us import and save the lists and tuples and rename them with the different variable names and then print to see the list of values and tuples. So here we can see we have successfully imported the math underscore operation, and we have successfully reused the list of values and tuples using the attribute method. Here the list of values and tuple. As per the Python module explanation, module contains code like classes, functions, methods, and also, as I said earlier, variables like list, tuples, dictionary, etc. And now let us see how the math underscore operation module will be searched in Python, or in general how the module will be searched in Python. Whenever a module is imported in Python, the interpreter looks for several locations. First, it will check for the built-in modules. If not found, then it looks for a list of directories defined in the system.path. Python interpreter searches for the modules in the following manner. The first one is it searches for the modules in the current directory, means the current working directory or folder. If the module is not found in the current working directory or folder, then the Python interpreter searches each directory in the shell variable Python path. This Python path can be seen in the Python file executable folder, that is bin, and in the system variable, or in some cases Python path is an environment variable consisting of a list of directories. And the third place where the interpreter searches is Python checks the installation dependent list of directories configured at the time of Python installation. Means the list of directories configured at the time of Python installation explicitly, means the Python supported packages or modules at the time of Python installation. If we import the system module and check for the path, then we will see the list of directories that the interpreter will search for the required module. So here we can see the list of directories where the interpreter will search for the module, and each directory is separated by a comma and enclosed within the single inverted comma, that is C / program data anaconda 3 python 39.zip, and then C anaconda dlls, C and then anaconda library, C and then site packages anaconda 3, and then C anaconda 3 library site packages, and so on. And look at here, it is also searching in the current working directory, that is Udemy Python tutorial. So this is how the Python interpreter search path will searches for the modules in Python.